My friend Kenji was visiting from Okinawa. He came for 3 days. It was time for him to go home. I drove him to Haneda Airport. The airport is far from my house. It takes about 2.5 hours by car. Kenji didn't ask me to drive him. I offered. He said it was too far and that he could take the train. I told him it was fine. I wanted to drive. We left early in the morning. The roads were quiet. Kenji put his bag in the back seat. It was a small bag. He always travels light. We talked a little at first. Then we were quiet for a while. That was fine too. The highway stretched out ahead of us. The sky was getting lighter. Kenji looked out the window. He didn't say much. I think he was tired. When we got close to Tokyo, the traffic got heavier. It slowed us down a little. We arrived at Haneda and found a parking spot. I turned off the engine. We went inside together. Kenji checked in at the counter and got his boarding pass. We still had some time. There is a pub near the observation deck. We went there. I ordered an iced tea. Kenji got the same. We ordered a small snack to share. We sat for a while. We talked. It was easy. It was a good way to end the visit. When it was time, we walked to the departure area. I said goodbye there. Kenji thanked me for the drive and for everything. Then we went through the gate. I walked back to the car. I sat there for a moment before I started the engine. The drive home felt longer than the drive there. That is usually how it goes. I didn't stop on the way back. I just drove. I thought about the 3 days, the meals we had, the places we went. By the time I got home, it was afternoon. The house was quiet. I was glad I drove him.